I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a Facebook Marketplace makeover. I'm going to show you how I styled my new Hamptons inspired bookcase. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I absolutely love the Hampton style of decorating. I love how it's timeless and classic, and you can add some silver for that little pop of glam. Now what you probably don't know is that I've actually transformed my house with the help of my hubby to a very Hamptons look from the front, and I'm actually going to share that with you in a future video. But I really love the style of Hamptons. I think it always stays in style. You know, the blue and white china has been around for years. I remember my grandmother having blue and white china, and I truly love it. So I was really excited recently when my husband found this beautiful bookcase off Facebook Marketplace. It was just $50, guys, and my hubby said to me, Michelle, look at this. I know you could give this a really Hamptons touch. My latest saying, guys, is we can definitely Hamptons that up, and I definitely did that here with the help of my hubby. So I headed off to Bunnings and picked myself up a really inexpensive spray gun, and hubby used the colour White on White by Dulux, and we spray painted the bookcase with 2 coats. So guys, here is my bookcase makeover. I absolutely love how it came. I just shopped my own home when I was styling it, and the 3 rules that I tend to stick to when decorating the Hampton style is definitely lots of white, lots of classic lines, as well as some silver and a lot of topiary. They use a lot of topiary in the Hampton style, and I really love how my bookcase came. So guys, leave me a comment down below if you love that style of Hamptons as well. And if you'd like to see future videos where I decorate in the Hampton style. Have you also found some amazing finds on Facebook Marketplace. I always tell everyone, guys, it doesn't have to cost a fortune when it comes to decorating your home. And Facebook Marketplace is a wonderful tool to find secondhand items that you can really just do a little makeover and you've got that instant look. In this particular case, I was going for the Hampton style, and this bookcase was absolutely perfect. Now guys, something that I also want to share with you, and here is a little sneak peek of something that I recently also picked up off Facebook Marketplace, is this adorable little chook pen. It is so Hamptons inspired, guys, and I just, as soon as I seen it, I was like, this has to go in my backyard. I cannot wait to share with you in a future video a backyard makeover that I've currently been doing, and this little chook pen, it's just so cute and so adorable, and I can't wait to share that video with you. Now also, I thought I'd leave this video with you with my Hamptons inspired man cave. This is my husband's canary room where he actually breeds canaries, but it's also a little bit of a man cave as well. And if you'd like to see a tour of the inside of it and how we built it, I'll leave that video linked for you down below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I love the Hampton style. Leave me a comment down below if you love it too. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. Stay safe, everyone, and have a wonderful day.